Hi, I'm Orlando from Protecta, and we're here at the Fire Safety Event 2026, and we're on site to talk about getting fire stopping done right the first time. Myself and the team are here showcasing our products and tested systems, and running live demos showcasing our Protecta Project Manager App. It's all about compliance and traceability, supported by the 3 T's: testing, training, and technical. It's been a great show. We've had lots of conversations with existing customers and met some new people as well. If there's anything that you saw today that can help on any of your projects, please feel free to reach out to any of the team via our website, protecta.co.uk.